Hello children, today we are going to learn new poem The Balloon Man. The Balloon Man. Okay, so let us start. Before starting the poem, I want to ask you one question. Does a balloon man visit your market? That means have you seen balloon man before? क्या आपने कभी balloon man देखा है? Okay? Many of you have seen the balloon man in the market. Now let's see what this balloon man brings with him. Now let us see what this balloon man brings with him. वो उसके साथ क्या लाए ये अब हम देखते हैं. Okay. So the poem The Balloon Man. Okay. He always comes on market days. He always comes on market days and holds balloons a lovely bunch, and in the market square he stays, and never seems to think of lunch, They are red and purple, blue and green, and when it is a sunny day, the carts and people get between. You see them shining far away, and some are big and some are small, all tied together with a string, and if there is a wind at all, they tug and tug like anything. Some day perhaps he will let them go, and we shall see them sailing high, and stand and watch them from below. They would look pretty in the sky. Okay, the poem by Rose Feilman. Okay, now I will explain this poem line by line. Listen very carefully. The poem is about the balloon man. This poem is about this balloon man. He always comes on market days. Balloon man always comes on market days. Market के दिन में वो आता है. Always comes on market days. And holds balloons. A lovely bunch. And he holds balloons. उसके hand में balloons का bunch होता है. If balloons are in large number and it is holding together, that time we call bunch. कि एक साथ वो ऐसे होल्ड किए तो इट बिकम्स बंच. ये बंच हो गया, बंच ऑफ बलून्स. एंड इन द मार्केट स्क्वायर ही स्टेज. एंड इन द मार्केट स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स इन द मार्केट देर विल बी अ स्क्वायर शेप्ड प्लेस. कि ऐसे मार्केट में से स्क्वायर शेप का कोई प्लेस होगा, वहाँ पे वो स्टे मीन्स खड़ा रहता होगा. ही विल स्टे स्क्वायर ही स्टेज. एंड नेवर सीम्स टू थिंक ऑफ लंच. एंड नेवर सीम्स टू थिंक ऑफ लंच मीन्स सीम्स मीन्स लगना, कि ऐसा लगता भी नहीं है कि ही इज थिंकिंग ऑफ लंच, कि वो खाने के बारे में सोचता भी होगा. ही इज थिंकिंग अबाउट, ही इज नॉट थिंकिंग अबाउट लंच. ही इज स्टेइंग देयर एंड सेलिंग देयर बलून्स. ओके, दे आर रेड एंड पर्पल. balloon man having red and purple color balloon. Blue and green also. Blue and green. He has blue and green also. And when it is a sunny day, means ऐसे दोपहर का दिन होता है, that time the carts and people get between. Okay, carts means you can say it is like a small vehicle like, and it can be pulled by hand. कि हाथ से वो धक्का देते हैं ना, pull. Street vendors, vegetable vendors, those who are selling on fruits or anything, vegetables, कि वहाँ पे वो हाथ ऐसे धक्का, हाथ गाड़ी in Marathi we can say हाथ गाड़ी. And people in the market get between. You see them shining far away. That means between the on sunny day, दोपहर के दिन भी आप उन कार्ट और पीपल के बीच में से भी you can see the balloons. Because it is shining, because balloons are shining, so you can see it from far away. दूर से भी आप देख सकते हो, because they are very shining. And some are big and some are small, the balloon man having some balloons are big and some balloons are small, all tied together with a string. All balloon tied together with a string. से उसने बांध के रखा है string से. इस you can say रस्सी. It's all string. And if there is a wind at all, and if there is a wind at all, अगर वहाँ पे हवा भी आई जोर से, so they tug and tug like anything. They tug and tug like anything. That means this balloon is started tug. That means pulling with strength. वैसे खींच जाते हैं हवा के साथ, pull हो जाते हैं हवा के साथ. Someday perhaps he will let them go. Someday perhaps he will let them go means someday एक दिन the balloon man will let them go means वो उनके छोड़ देगा, let them go जाने के लिए. And we shall see them sailing high. And we shall see them sailing high. We shall see them, they are sailing high in the sky. वो कि हवा में वो दूर दूर उड़ रहे हैं. And stand and watch them from below. And we stand and watch them from below. Below means downside, कि नीचे से हम उन्हें देखेंगे ऊपर. They are sailing high in the sky. Okay. And last, they would look pretty in the sky. They would look pretty in the sky. Balloon will look pretty in the sky. Okay. Students, again I am going to explain summary of this poem. Listen it very carefully. He always comes on market days. The balloon man always comes on market days. के market के दिन में वो आता है. And holds balloons. And he holds balloons. उसके हाथ में balloons होते हैं. A lovely bunch. Lovely bunch of balloons. And in the market square he stays. The balloon man stays in the market square. The place in the market which is square shape. Square shape का कोई place होगा where he stays. And never seems to think of lunch. वैसे खड़ी रहता है. हमें लगता है never seems में ऐसा नहीं लगता कि वो उसके खाने के बारे में भी सोचता होगा. इतना वो he is dedicated to his work. इतना वो अपना काम मतलब अपना एकदम काम लॉयली करता है. Okay. They are red and purple. Balloon man having red and purple, blue and green color balloons. And when it is a sunny day, दोपहर के दिन, when it is a sunny day, you can see them. You can see them because they are shining. You can see them between cards and people. कि उस cards और people के बीच में भी आप देख पाओगे कि because balloons are shining. And some are big and some are small. A balloon man having some balloons big and some are small. And all tied together with a string. All he has tied together with a string से ऐसे बांधे हुए हैं. And if there is a wind at all, अगर वो हवा भी जोर से आती है, they tug and tug like anything. Balloons started tug, that means pulling with a force. हवा के साथ ऐसे खींचे हुए जाते हैं. Someday perhaps he will let them go. Someday कोई दिन, perhaps means maybe. हिंदी शायद, perhaps means maybe. He will let them go. He means this balloon man let them go. कि he will let them go. कि उन balloons को वैसे हवा में जाने देगा. And we shall see them sailing high. And we shall हम उन्हें देखेंगे कि हवा में वो बहुत उड़ रहे हैं ऊंचे. Sailing high. And stand and watch them from below. And we will stand on below. Stand and we will watch them from below. कि नीचे से, below means नीचे से हम ऊपर देखेंगे. They are sailing high in the sky. They would look pretty in the sky. The balloons will look pretty in the sky. Okay. Now we will see some new words. Bunch of balloon. If balloons are more than one and it is holding at one place, कि एक जगह, तो उनका bunch हो गया. Bunch of balloons. Square is a shape, all of you know, which has same side. Square. Then sunny means you can say shining. Sun is shining. कि सन जो होता है ज्यादा शाइन होता है, गर्मी का दिन हो जाता है ना, that is sunny. Then tug means pulling with the force, ऐसे खींचा हुआ जाना, खींचने लगना. Natak. Okay, children? In the next lesson, we will see its questions and answers. Okay?